Good evening, students. The next application of linear equation in one variable is the geometrical problem. The previous class we studied about the sum, difference and multiplication of numbers problems relating the linear equation. Okay. So today the geometrical problem we have to solve. Let us consider an example. The perimeter of a rectangle is 3 times the perimeter of a rectangle is 24 centimeter. Okay. Length of the rectangle is 2 times that of its width. Okay. Find length and width. Okay. How the problem can be solved? See, we have given that it is given that the perimeter of a rectangle is 24 centimeter. This is a rectangle A, B, C, D. The perimeter of rectangle. First we have to remember the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula of perimeter? That is 2 into 2 is multiplied with length and width. This is the formula for perimeter. Okay. But we have given the length of rectangle is 2 times that of its width. Okay. So let 2 times that of width. So let width is the our variable, that is x. Let width is x. Width means this is the width. So this is the width x. Okay. If the width is x, then what is the length? That is 2 times, that is 2x. This is 2x. 2x. Okay. In terms of perimeter, let perimeter is p. Let perimeter is p is equal to 2 is multiplied. What is the length? 2x plus what is the width? X. That is 2 is multiplied with 2x plus x. That is 3x. That is 6x. That is 6x. But so perimeter is 6x. But we have the perimeter. What is the perimeter? That is 24 centimeter. So this is the equation we have get, that is 6x equal to 24. 6x is equal to 24 because the perimeter is 6x and here the perimeter value is given is 24. So to remove the 6, that is 6x, divide 6 on both sides, that is 24 by 6, that is 4. That is x equal to 4 centimeter. Means the width is 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter. But the length, what is the amount of length? Length is equal to 2x, that is 2 is multiplied with 4, that is 8. So length is 8 centimeter and width is 4 centimeter. Okay. So this is the geometrical aspect or geometrical problem solved by using the linear equation. Okay. See another problem of geometrical problem. Okay. The next problem is perimeter of a rectangle is 56 centimeter. Length is 5 more than the width. Okay, height, length and width. Height, length and width. Okay, in similar way, perimeter is given 56, so we have P is equal to 56 centimeter. Okay, length is denoted as L, that is L equal to 5 more than the width, that is B, let B. Okay, so length is equal to 5 more than width. Let the width becomes X. Let width becomes X. So length is equal to 5 plus X or X plus 5. So in terms of perimeter, that is 2 is multiplied with length plus width. Length plus width. That is 2 is multiplied with length is 5 plus X plus width is the X. That is 2 is multiplied with 5 plus X plus X. That is 5 plus 2X. That is 2 is multiplied with 5 and 2 is multiplied with 2X. That is the distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. The last property of rational number and also the any numbers, natural number, whole number or integers. So 10 plus 4x. 10 plus 4x. So this is the 10 plus 4x. But we have perimeter equal to 56 centimeter. So we can get the equation, that is 10 plus 4x is equal to 56. That is 4x plus 10. I can add minus 10 on both sides. That is 4x is equal to 46. That is, to remove 4, I divide on both sides 4. That is x equal to 23 by 2. Okay, if x equal to 23 by 2, then this is the value of width. This is the value of width. What is the value of length? What is the value of length? The length value is 5 plus width. That is 5 plus 23 upon 2. That is 10 plus 23 upon 2. That is 33 upon 2. That is, the length is equal to 33 upon 2 centimeter and width equal to 23 by 2 centimeter. This is the value of length and width. Okay. In this way, you can solve the geometrical problems of perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. The next class, the very important problem using the linear equation, that is the edge problem. Okay, that is the edge problem. We will see how edge problem can be solved by using the linear equation. Okay. Thank you.